Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're gonna talk about Java variables. Imagine you have a special box called a variable. This box can hold different things like numbers or words. So I'm going to store these numbers or these words into this box. In Java, variables are used to store information that you want to use later in your program. Let's take another example. Let's say you want to remember your age. You can create a variable called age. This box is called age. So think about a variable is an empty box. So this variable is called age and this box is called age. And put your age inside it. It's like writing your age, for example, 25 on a piece of paper and putting it inside this box. So the variable now is called age and the value of your age is 25. So this variable, this box contains a value 25 and the name of this variable is called age. Let's jump into Android Studio and see how we can create variables in Java. Now let's create our very first variable in Java. Starting by int age equal to 25. I'll continue with the age example. Here, int is a keyword in Java that means the variable will hold a whole number. You can also use other keywords for different types of information like string for words, double for numbers with decimal points. We'll learn about data types later on in the next videos. But now concentrate with me on how to create variables and the syntax of creating them. Again, int is the data type of the variable. Age is the name of the variable. Equal sign is for assigning the variable to its value. And of course, don't miss the semicolon. So I am creating a variable, a box called age. I am inserting inside it 25. So I'm putting it, writing on a piece of paper number 25 and putting it inside this box called age. And this box is labeled as an integer, so it accepts only numbers. Think about this for variables in Java. As mentioned before, in Java, variables are used to store information that you want to use later in your program. If you notice, the name of the variable is in gray. Now, if I hover the mouse, I can get a message, variable age is never used. This is from Android Studio, telling you that this age variable is never used. How to use the variable? Print this variable now. So system.out.print, and here I am creating a new string called my age. And in order to call and make concatenation between the string and the variable of type int, we use the plus sign. Later on, we'll talk about the operators in details, but now focus with me on how to use these variables. The age, I'm calling it, you can see the age is turned into white. So I'm using this variable. If I run this program, click on this, and we can see that the message, my age is 25, appears on the screen. And the input and the look. So this is how we create variables, how to store the values inside these variables and how to call the variables and get the value inside these boxes. Of course, you can update the value of these boxes and these variables. So for example, age equal to 30. I am updating it. I'm creating it with 25. Then I can create it with 30. Let's run. And you can see that the message is my age equal to 30. So I am updating here. In this example and in this video, we'll learn how to create variables and how to use them in